Yes, I hear you. What in the world? Yeah. You know what time it is? Good morning. I know. The whole world heard you. Yeah, are you hungry? Are you always hungry? Always. If she's up, I'm up. Feed the cat. Go to the gym. Go to work. Be happy. Thanks, bodybuilding.com. 30 days of fit, Busman. Yeah. Okay, you don't care. I'll feed you in a second, sweet girl. Say hi to YouTube. No, now you'll be quiet now that you've woken me up. Okay.